Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to send XRP to Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet and tap Receive, then choose XRP to display your address and optional destination tag. Copy the address exactly and copy the tag if provided by the recipient. Confirm the network is XRP and not a token on another chain. Use a small test amount first to verify everything is correct before sending larger balances. Check your wallet balance and make sure you have enough XRP for both the transfer and the base reserve requirement. Verify the recipient's address and destination tag to avoid loss of funds. Turn on security like biometrics or a passcode in Trust Wallet to protect transactions. Keep your recovery phrase written offline and stored safely, and never share it with anyone requesting access to your wallet. Log into the exchange or external wallet and locate XRP in your asset list. Choose Withdraw or Send, paste the Trust Wallet XRP address, and enter the destination tag if the recipient requires one. Double-check every character of the address and tag, then confirm the amount and fee. Send a small test amount first, monitor confirmation on the ledger, and once received, proceed with the full transfer with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.